Lena?
Thanks so much, Ken. Outside the WRAL studios, talking about summer cleaning. We're always talking about spring cleaning, right? Well, the Marie Kondo show on Netflix has everyone trying to reimagine how their room should be, how things should be folded, how things should be organized. And it's something that we should be thinking about because it can help clear your mind as well. We should also be thinking about how to get our kids involved, right? Chantale Persinger is with Closets by Design. You are very focused on helping parents, come on over here, teach their kids to be as organized as possible. And it's interesting because in the summer months, they can be incredibly messy. Explain why.
Yes, well, in the summer months, a lot of kids are out of school. It gets hot outside. Their normal school routine is they
no
don't
longer.
Have it.
Yeah,
they no longer have it. So it's a good time to think about, you know, their closet space, getting organized, because houses get messier during this time.
And you have this interesting title, Camp Clutter Busters, for parents. Take us through some of the main tips for them to know, beginning with their closet space. What should they be doing to help their kids get involved?
Yes, correct. So what we do is we're out every day organizing closets, garages, pantries. And so why we did the little kids' closets, we want parents to focus on their area because that's their personal space. So when we go into a closet, we will double hang the closet, and that allows younger kids to be able to hang up their own closets. So on you know, laundry day here, go hang up your clothes. So that teaches them that's where their clothes go. And then that allows for extra shelving in their closet, which they really need.
So you want to make sure you're having these lower areas. That's really important, I think, because you can't have something that's out of their reach. You want them to be able to get in on the organization.
Right. Teaches them the responsibility.
So take us through here. So even shelving on the lower level, too.
Yep. So you can get baskets, and baskets are for those odd toys. Or if you have them in the garage, this could be as a laundry. So they know when their clothes are dirty, this is where it goes. Not on the floor. You put it in the laundry. And then they have a place for their shoes, their favorite toys, and then we also have bins, and that's for all the odds and ends. So they know when they take this out, they play with the toys, they put them back in, and it has a home. So we're trying to teach the children there's a home within a home for everything. So.
And that's what adults need to know, too. I mean, I think one of the biggest problems in my house is if I don't have a place for it, I end up putting it in random places.
Yes.
And that's not what you want. You want to have a designated place for it.
And that keeps you organized, keeps the clutter away, and it's never too young to learn.
Yeah. So the age of kids, when they should be starting this, really young?
As soon as possible. Because, you know, when they're younger, they perceive their area. See this, and it's always organized. That's what they see. And like I said, as young as possible, it should be organized for them so they can see their favorite toys, or they can grab their toys. It's not somewhere under the bed or, you know, strewn all over the room or something like that.
And it helps to clear your head, too. So you all do this organization for people all the time.
Yes.
What do they say afterward when they feel like their spaces are clear?
They call us and they say, I wish I would have done this years ago.
Yeah.
I've been thinking about it. I see you all over the place, and this is the best thing I've ever done.
And you don't necessarily need to hire anyone to do so. You can try to implement these steps yourself. You can build things yourself to just clear out your space. But the bottom line is it's going to make your mind feel clear as well.
Yes.
Chantale Persinger with Closets by Design. Thank you so much for stopping by this morning.
Thank you so much. We appreciate it.
Ken, over to you.